master the art of tying a tie and elevate your style game. Hello, InfoJunkie viewers and all members of the InfoJunkie family. Today, we embark on a sartorial journey that will transform your appearance and boost your confidence. It's time to unravel the mysteries of the tie and learn the art of tying it with finesse. So, fasten your seatbelts and get ready to make a lasting impression with your impeccable style. Step 1. Select the perfect tie. First things first, finding the right tie is crucial. Opt for a high-quality tie that matches your outfit and complements your personal style. Remember, a tie can either enhance or detract from your overall look, so choose wisely. Step 2. Start with the wide end. Hold the wide end of the tie in your dominant hand, ensuring it is longer than the narrow end. Place the wide end slightly lower than your desired length, as you'll adjust it later. Step 3. Cross the wide end over. Cross the wide end over the narrow end, forming an X shape just below your collar. Keep in mind that the wide end should always be on top. Step 4. Bring the wide end up and through. Now, bring the wide end up and through the loop created by the X. This creates the first part of the knot. Hold the narrow end firmly in place as you do this. Step 5. Cross the wide end behind. Gently cross the wide end behind the narrow end, forming a horizontal loop. Step 6. Bring the wide end up and through again. Take the wide end and bring it up, passing it through the horizontal loop created in the previous step. This completes the knot's structure. Step 7. Tighten and adjust. Hold the narrow end of the tie and slide the knot up towards your collar. Simultaneously, hold the knot with your free hand and carefully tighten it until it feels comfortable, neither too tight nor too loose. Adjust the length of the tie by pulling the narrow end or the wide end gently. Step 8. Final touches. Straighten your tie by smoothing out any creases or wrinkles. Ensure that the tip of the narrow end rests slightly above your belt buckle for a polished appearance. Conclusion. Congratulations, dear reader. You have successfully mastered the art of tying a tie. Now, you can confidently step out into the world, exuding charm and sophistication with your impeccable style. Remember, it may take a few attempts to perfect the technique, but practice makes perfect. So go ahead, embrace the elegance of a well-tied tie, and witness the positive impact it has on your overall presentation. Until next time, dear friends, keep looking sharp and may your endeavors be blessed with success. God bless. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with our future style tips and tricks.